Hello everybody, Jeff here for CommWizard. Welcome to our video on the Communication Wizard. While the Report Wizard and the Queries tab provide the ability to link to recipient lists and manage those lists, the Communication Wizard generates all of the messages. In this video, we will edit a communication and review many of the options available to the various communication types. CommWizard can prepare letters, postcards, envelopes, and can send text messages and emails. So let's get started. I'm going to select the demo communication and then click on the Edit Comm button. The first screen in the Communication Wizard series of tabs is the Options tab, which contains many of the formatting options. The comm name can be changed on this tab. The description field can also be changed here. The Report field is selected from a drop-down list of available reports. CommWizard will use an Arial 10 font face for printed communications unless you override that default using the font fields. For letters and emails, you can choose to include a subject line. And next, we select a communication type. Since letters utilize most of the options, we will select letter for type of communication. Next is our letterhead option. Since this is a rich text field, we can apply formatting to our letterhead. One way to format is to enter your text and then select it, which will invoke the RTF formatting toolbar, like this. As an alternative, you can select and use the standard formatting keys such as Control-B, Control-I, and Control-U, and you can use the control keys to format as you type as well. The previous and next buttons will cycle through the letterheads used in all of your communications. And the new button will provide a blank canvas on which you can create an additional letterhead. The return address and signature line options work the same way. The logo and signature options work in a similar manner, except the new button allows you to select an image file from your computer. Okay, let's move on to the actual message that we wish to send to our recipients. The message can be formatted as rich text as well. And notice, on the right side of the Message tab is a list of fields that are in the report for this communication, the customer's report. These fields can be included anywhere in the message. For this message, we have used the Contact Name field to give the message a personalized touch. The final tab in the Communication Wizard is the System Configuration tab. The first part of the Configure tab is the settings for your email server. These are just standard settings, and they could be for Gmail, as in this example, or any email server you might be using. The bottom half of the Configure tab establishes your text message settings. Data 24/7 is a service you might be interested in if you send text messages. With Data 24/7, you get some great features. Without Data 24/7, CommWizard needs to be mapped to a cell phone number and to a mobile carrier. With Data 24/7, the cell phone number is the only field that requires mapping. At the top of the Configure tab, you can select any of the already constructed configuration settings for a communication. At the bottom of the Configure tab, you will find the Add, Delete, and Rename Config buttons. Let's go ahead and save our communication. Our communication is complete, or at least we think it is. One way to find out is to click on the View Summary button. The summary is a kind of report card, really, but there are no grades. It's pass or fail. This time we passed. The report looks terrific. We have no errors, and the Run button is lit. So let's go ahead and run our letters. Some of the features on our print preview screen are the ability to zoom in and zoom out, navigate through our letters, print the letters, and make a PDF file. Let's close this communication and real quick do an email instead. Back on our home screen, we will once again edit our communication and change the communication type to an email. Save it and then exit. Next, we will view the summary, and the first thing I look for is the Run button, and is it lit? And not this time, so there must be an error. It looks like we have an email address field error. The Help button for this error instructs us to check our mapping on the Queries tab for this report. So let's go ahead and do that quickly. And sure enough, we need to map our email address field. That seems to have fixed things. Now we have a Run button, and clicking on the Run button delivers the emails and takes us to the communications log where we can review the results. I hope this video has been helpful, and if there is anything we can do to help more, please leave a comment below or visit our website at comwizard.com. Be sure to subscribe and click on the notify button to receive video updates. Thanks everybody.